down towards the further braking zone. 5 lights ahead of the drivers. It's Lance Armstrong's car. We have 19 on the grid, then 1 in the pit lane. It's Lance.
Unstoppable journeys are everywhere. We're not talking about famous victories or world records. We're talking about everyday journeys. Your small ones and your big ones. From keeping an entire fleet moving on land or at sea, to readying your customers for the road ahead. At Gulf, we're always finding ways to support life's unstoppable journeys. Gulf, together we're unstoppable.
All right. Good evening, everyone. Jong Uy here, and welcome to the Purple Sector Live for the Miami Grand Prix. Welcome, everyone. Andy still coming home, so Yamboy and Miles is around. We're just gonna wait for Andy to na makauwi. Okay, so first up, Yam, how are you?
Yeah, medyo puyat pa. Oo. Madaling araw yung karera. But anyway, it's a good day for all the F1 fans.
Yep.
Finally we had we witnessed probably the most famous win in the sport, no?
Yep.
Mamaya explain natin sa inyo
Love it.
kung bakit.
Kaya nga, ito.
This is ito yung pinakasikat, no? Pinakasikat na panalo ng isang driver sa isang GP.
Yes.
So mamaya we will discuss. All right, Miles.
All right, Miles.
Good evening, gentlemen. Good evening, Internet. Good evening, Facebook. Good evening, YouTube. Welcome to another episode of the Purple Sector. It's 8 minutes past 8 o'clock, and I hope you'll stay with us until the end as we discuss Miami Grand Prix, and also we have some exciting prizes.
Yep.
Pimimigay natin. And also, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our friends from Golf
Yes.
for actively supporting our show, the Purple Sector, together with Pirelli and Alpine Star.
Thank you so much
Ay,
for
yeah.
the support. And of course,
Okay,
aside
before I
that,
forget, Jong,
okay.
you could watch us. If you're watching us in YouTube and you're in Facebook, okay, you could comment below.
Yes, please do.
Comment section, and we'll gladly read them kung meron kayong gustong sabihin or anything. Feedback, reactions if you don't agree with us or anything. Okay, so umpisahan na natin.
Okay.
Kasi mukhang may sprint pa to eh.
Saglit. Aside from that, we're giving out tonight, we're giving out caps. It's cap night. Teka, yun. Na-blur ako. There we go. We're gonna give you the Yum Analysis. It's one of our what do you call this? TPS merchandise, of course, courtesy of Mr. Yamnalysis. The second question we're gonna give Pirelli cups. Thank you so much, Pirelli. This is the podium cups of Pirelli. There we go. So thank you, Pirelli, and of course, authentic F1 merchandise by Golf Williams Racing. Yun. And of course, later on, Miles will also be giving out the Williams official merchandise of Golf Williams Racing doon sa I think you have a ano yung ginawa mo, Miles, the comments section
Yeah, yeah.
where
Okay. For the Miami Grand Prix, I posted sa ating official Facebook page ng The Purple Sector if you have any comments or if you have any what your thoughts are with the recently concluded Miami Grand Prix. So may mga nag-comments doon, then we chose one, and that one
later.
will be,
Later.
yeah,
Yep,
we'll be
later,
announcing
ayun.
sino yung later sino yung nanalo. And we're going to get the
Sorry.
the Williams
Yep.
polo shirt, okay? That's
Okay.
the official one,
Yep.
Williams Racing.
Before we are going to proceed with the YAM analysis, we just would like to congratulate our fellow Filipina or Filipino, Bianca Bustamante for winning. I think it's her first podium ba? Tama ba ako? If I'm not
Yeah,
mistaken.
first podium for the season. Yeah.
Yes, first podium for the season, and of course, I also love those caps. So there we go.
Purple
Yeah.
yan, purple.
Yeah, purple. There. Very nice. Sana bigyan din tayo ni Pirelli ng ganong caps, no? Purple.
Oo nga, pati yung Miami.
Perfect. Ha?
Yeah. Pati yung yung Grand Prix din sa yung sombrero nila Lando Norris. Yung light blue.
Light blue.
Pirelli.
Yes, because
Yeah,
it's wow.
Miami.
Miami blue. Wow.
Oo.
Nice.
Pero okay tong purple.
Ito okay to.
Ah.
Matex ka.
Pirelli, baka naman.
Maano nga, yeah. All right, so that's it. And of course, our partner, F1 PH Live Viewing Community, don't forget, they're gonna have another one 2 weeks from now. Ay, tama ba? 2 weeks from now, that is the Emilia Romagna Grand Prix. There we go. So, stay tuned for that. Yum. Let's start with the Miami Grand Prix.
Yeah, all right. Before anything else, congratulations, Bianca, from your F1 Titos. All
Yep.
right.
Yep.
Yeah. Bianca, if you're listening, baka pag na first ka and the Philippine flag is waving and
Anthem.
the
And Philippine anthem is
pamansang
being
awit
sang.
is the Philippine anthem is being sung. Harapin mo daw yung flag. Ano lang, let's make something different. Pinoy tayo eh.
Yeah.
Anyway, all right.
All right.
Okay, welcome to the Formula 1 Crypto.com Miami Grand Prix.
Yep.
The race was 4 o'clock in the morning.
Nanood
of,
ka?
Monday.
Nanood ka?
Yes, of course. Oo. And I was really happy. I was drinking coffee na and then sabi ko, okay, Max Verstappen na naman and well, at least na-surprise tayo lahat, no?
Yeah.
I don't know dun sa mga nanood ng replay pero I was really madaling araw pero I was doing Go Lando. Okay. So Friday sprint qualifying. Okay, napansin natin sa qualifying yung unang qualifying nila. Medyo inconsistent yung mga cars, no?
Yep.
There's a problem with the balance. Max Verstappen was complaining. Walang grip ang rear niya up to the qualifying for the race itself. So, eto. Eliminated for SQ1, we have Gasly, Zhou Guanyu, Valtteri Bottas, Logan Sargent, and Alexander Albon. Good news, wala dito yung ating kaibigan na si Daniel Ricciardo. So, probably he's improving, no? And then,
Sana.
SQ2 naman, we have drivers na na-eliminate. George Russell, Lewis Hamilton, Esteban Ocon, Kevin Magnussen, and Tsunoda. Lewis Hamilton, nagkaroon kasi siya ng konting scenario dito sa wall na ito. He hit the wall, he brushed on it, so it affected his time. Kaya na-eliminate siya for SQ2. And finally, our sprint qualifying results. We have Max Verstappen on P1, followed by Charles Leclerc, Sergio Perez, Daniel Ricciardo, okay, Carlos Sainz, Oscar Piastri, Lance Stroll, Fernando Alonso, Lando Norris, and Nico Hülkenberg. Then we go to the Saturday sprint. This is in the morning of April 5 in the April 4 in the US, April 5 here in the
May.
Philippines, 12
May and
midnight.
May.
May 4 in the United States, May 5 in the Philippines, 12 midnight ito. Napanood ko din ito. All right. So, this is the lights out and away they go. Nauna si Max Verstappen, and then followed by the two Scarlet cars, and may panahon pa sanang sumingit si Sergio Perez dito, but because of wheel spin, he wasn't able to make it. And Charles Leclerc nakalampas. Daniel Ricciardo din on third. Tapos dito, they had a moment of battle between Carlos Sainz and Sergio Perez. Pero kung titingnan natin dito sa bandang likod, dito nagkaroon ng problema si Lando Norris kasi nagkaroon ng three-way battle dito eh. Nagkaroon ng three-way contact. It's between Lewis Hamilton, Manong Fernando Alonso, Lance Stroll. Pag-contact nila dito, itong kotse ni Lance Stroll hit the car of Lando Norris, kaya turn 1 pa lang
Wala.
na DNF na si Lando. So here's a quick replay on board the car of Manong Alonso, the IWC. This is the car of Lewis Hamilton. Alonso here, Lance Stroll, nagkaroon sila ng contact, so there's nothing to go for Manong Alonso. Hindi na siya makailag, may speed na siya, so wala na, dire-diretso na siya. Kaya nabangga niya ito, na-nudge niya itong Aston Martin ni Lance Stroll, and nabundol din ni Lance Stroll itong McLaren ni Lando Norris. Yeah. Here's another look. Ayan na. So na-sandwich si Manong Alonso si Lewis Hamilton. He said Lewis was like a raging bull na biglang sumulpot. Wala na siyang nagawa. Kaya natamaan niya itong kotse ni Lance Stroll, and si Lance Stroll natamaan din niya ang kotse ni Lando Norris. And Lando Norris was fined 50,000 euros because nandito banda yung kotse niya, tumawid siya dito papunta ng pit garage. So, yon, monetary yung kanyang violation. So here, unang attack ni Sergio Perez is nakuha niya si Daniel Ricciardo on lap 5. And then after this, a very enjoyable battle between Jong.
Yep.
Hindi ka ba nasaktan nito? Hindi ka ba nasaktan na pinahirapan ng Mercedes, ng Haas ang Mercedes?
I think I already have given up. I have a new team now.
Oo, kasi alam mo, during the heydays of during the reign of Mercedes and Lewis Hamilton, you don't have to worry kung sino yung nasa harapan di ba? Kasi alam natin makukuha ka agad ni Lewis, but for this one,
Yeah.
medyo napahirapan siya ng Haas, no? Napahirapan siya ng Haas ni Kevin Magnussen. Until such time na grabe na yung battle nila, Kevin Magnussen nagkakaroon na ng mga errors, just like this one, where he gained an advantage and a 10-second penalty for leaving the track and gaining an advantage. So yun, pero pinahirapan pa din niya si Lewis kasi at least Kevin Magnussen is a team player and he did this to protect his teammate Nico Hülkenberg. Nico's running 8 at the moment. No?
Yep.
Nico, 7th na siya pala. Then, pinahirapan din ni Daniel Ricciardo ang Ferrari ni Carlos Sainz dito. And then, while they're doing that battle, eto na yung FIA stewards na nagkaroon na ng 10-second penalty for car 20, leaving the track and gaining an advantage. That's for Kevin Magnussen's penalty. Yeah. And then, eto pa, isa pang part na yung dalawa, both Haas and Mercedes left the track, wherein our ninja friend, Yuki Tsunoda, was able to take Lewis Hamilton after that turn. So dito, ayan, nakita natin. Lewis Hamilton, na-overtake siya ni Yuki Tsunoda. Pero, nabawi ni Hamilton yung 8th place from Yuki. However, nabigyan si Lewis Hamilton ng 5-second penalty because of speeding sa pit area or sa ano. So, nag-overspeed siya doon, nabigyan siya ng 5-second penalty. So, 1 point na sana yun sa kanya kasi he finished 8th. Pero since nagkaroon siya ng 5-second penalty, nabigay kay Yuki Tsunoda ang points. Alright, so here's the result. Max Verstappen took the checkered flag, followed by Charles Leclerc and Sergio Perez. Now, dito tayo nagtataka, no? Kasi usually pag sprint, meron na tayong mga 7, 10, 15 seconds gap from Max Verstappen to the one trailing him behind on P2. Just like in China, di ba? We discussed na parang intro na ng Nirvana, parang intro na ng Metallica, yung gap.
Correct.
Pero dito it's just 3 seconds ba? So dito makikita mo, meron talagang problema. May problema talaga sa kotse ng Red Bull. Even si Perez nga, mas maganda pa ang pace niya. Kasi he was really close to Charles Leclerc. But Max Verstappen hindi nakabawi ng todo-todo dun sa gap niya. Kaya this is less than 4 seconds lang. So a very unlikely time difference or very unlikely gap from the reigning champion and the Red Bulls. No?
Surprisingly
so,
ba?
Yun.
Surprisingly ba?
Well, dyan na natin makikita ba na parang I think may
teams
konting
are improving.
Yeah. Other teams are improving because on this race talaga dito sa Miami, dito mo makikita na all the top 5 teams talagang except for sino nga yung team ni Manong Alonso? Kalimutan ko na naman. Hindi na natin nakikita kasi lagi.
Aston Martin.
Except for Aston Martin, Ferrari was doing good. Team Papaya was doing good. And then nagkaroon ng improvement ang V-Carb, may improvement sila. Tapos sila Mercedes, maganda din. Pero sila Alonso, for this race, nandun sila sa hulihan eh. Ayan. Jong, basahin muna natin itong mga...
Good evening, Carl. Welcome. Lawrence Patrick Tamayo in YouTube, welcome. Andrew, ayun, nasa duty pa ako. Ayun, congratulations to sana magka Pirelli Cups din ang TPS. Yeah, the purple Pirelli Cups. Nag-text na po ako sa taga Pirelli. Tsunoda ruined Sargent qualifying. Yep.
Okay.
Ano pa to? Carl Angelo, di ko napanood yung sprint. Yeah. F1 live, PH Live Viewing Community, good evening. Phil and group, talagang tight ang turn 1 ng Miami. Teka, what's your thoughts na nga po pala sa pag-title sponsor ng HP Ferrari because wala akong talagang masabi eh. HP as title sponsor.
Wala, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan,
Yeah.
Carl. No problem. Because if you have a title sponsor, it means money, it means budget. So, huwag kayo
Yeah,
mag-alala
it
kahit
means,
magmukhang
yes.
basura yung kotse.
Yeah. Hindi. At saka, it doesn't need to be related to racing, because
Yeah.
which means that motorsports is growing outside of the, related stuff. Like, if you can remember, Rexona. Remember niyo yun, Miles? Anong team yun? I think that was Williams, right? Rexona?
Williams.
Williams, yeah. Oo.
Yeah.
So, yun. I think everybody knows what's Rexona. Justin Dominic
BWT.
Villanon, good evening. Yes.
Diba?
Yeah. Williams,
BWT
ayun,
is about
yes.
water.
Yeah. Water, BWT, that's water in... Saan ba ito na water? Palanahon ni Bottas yan. Yes. Ano pa ba?
Yeah.
Noon, kasagsagan ng
TikTok.
TikTok. Hindi lang title sponsor, but noon kasagsagan ng cigarette sponsors.
Yeah.
So, grabe. Yun. Sana nabutan natin yun sa events na hindi na binabawal yung cigarettes. So there were lots
Di pa na-
of cigarette
Hindi
sponsors.
pa ata napapanganak si Carl nun eh.
Oo.
Wala pa.
Marlboro, Ferrari, West McLaren, British
Benson and Hedges.
Benson and Hedges.
British American Racing.
na
Bar.
Lucky Strike.
Oo.
Wala,
Lucky
ang dami.
Strike, yeah.
Yeah.
Kaya
So-
Carl, okay lang yan Carl. Huwag ka mag-alala.
Yep.
HP, meaning horsepower.
Yes, degree na sure same logo pala.
So-
Yes. Duracell battery. Although yes, Duracell battery is we are trying to na high energy or strong energy. So I guess that's the yun, ang hirap ng
Mayor Azarcon,
Yes.
ang hirap hanapin ng Ferrari sa truck. Yes, I agree.
I agree
Medyo
also.
nahirapan din akong manood eh. Yeah.
Yeah. The
Kasi
blue.
pag side view nakikita mo yung blue na awkward pero masasanay din tayo diyan. And ito nga yung view ni Carlos Sainz, ang puwetan ni V-Carb na
Yep.
ni Daniel Ricciardo. So, Daniel Ricciardo finished fourth. It was a good finish. It was actually the best finish so far for 2024 for the Australian. No? Akala ko tuloy-tuloy na yung performance ng kotse niya kasi he promised us as long as papalitan yung chassis niya, maganda na ang kanyang performance.
Yeah.
Pero hindi lang niya napakita sa atin because nagkaroon siya ng problema sa China, nagkaroon din siya ng problema sa Japan, di ba?
Yes.
So, nagkaroon siya ng mga impacts doon. So, hindi niya napakita sa atin yung performance. Tapos, I thought this one, okay. Gumana yung bagong chassis. And, pang sprint lang pala, sayang. Okay. So, eto na ang sprint. Sprint, results. Max Verstappen, P1. Charles Leclerc, P2, Sergio Perez, followed by Daniel Ricciardo, Carlos Sainz, Oscar Piastri, Nico Hülkenberg on 7, Yuki Tsunoda, kaya wala na dito si Lewis Hamilton kasi nabigyan siya ng penalty. That's why Yuki Tsunoda took the 1 point for placing 8. Then we have Pierre Gasly and Logan Sargent finished top 10 on his country, on his actually pinanganak siya
Home.
sa Miami eh.
home
Home race,
yeah.
So congratulations Logan. All right. So now we go to Saturday. Sige bye.
Ricardo, first sprint points. Yep. Tama. Yun. Saturday race qualifying.
Saturday race qualifying. This was Sunday in Davao, Philippine time. Sunday ng alas 4 ng madaling araw.
Nanood
Ito,
ka? Nanood ka?
hindi ako nakapanood, pero as soon as I woke up, before opening Twitter or before opening Facebook, nanood muna ako ng replay.
Wow,
Kasi-
before not watching,
Oo.
Exciting.
I sacrificed the qualifying para at least the full race on Monday mapanood ko, which is I was really happy dahil yun nga ang result. Okay, Q1 qualifying, tanggal kagad si Bottas, Sargent, Daniel Ricciardo on 18th, and then meron siyang 3 grid place penalty dahil dun sa problema niya sa China. So, he ended up 20th. Then, Kevin Magnussen and Zhou Guanyu. Tapos, eliminated on Q2, we have Lance Stroll, Pierre Gasly, Esteban Ocon, Alexander Albon, and Manong Alonso. Ito yung sinasabi ko na instead of improving their car, nagkaroon tuloy ng problema. So, instead of being on the top 5, parang sayang. I hope they can improve, no, because the points are not that not that great pa, so pwede pa silang makahabol. And finally, we have P1 Max Verstappen, then P2 Charles Leclerc, followed by Carlos Sainz. So 2-3 ang Ferrari dito, then Sergio Perez on P4, followed by Lando Norris, Oscar Piastri, George Russell, Lewis Hamilton, Nico Hülkenberg, and Yuki Tsunoda. Okay.
All right.
Okay, Sunday race.
This is it.
Lights out and away. Yeah, lights out and away they go. Ito, masaya dito. Kasi right here, sabi ni Charles Leclerc, nagkaroon daw siya ng wheel spin, kaya naunahan siya ni Checo Perez.
Checo Perez.
Pero si Checo Perez, ang ganda na sana dito, late braking siya. Hindi niya na-anticipate na medyo nagminor ng konti itong si Max Verstappen. And kamuntik niyang nabangga yung kanyang teammate, kaya nag-lock up siya dito and dire-diretso siya to this side, no? Yan. So, okay. So, dahil dun sa ginawa ni Sergio Perez dito, nagulat itong dalawang Ferrari boys, and a very opportunistic move from the Wonder Boy Oscar Piastri, wherein dito, he found a very good spot right here na pwede siyang bumuelo dito, kaya naunahan niya dito si Carlos Sainz. Dito na-overtake niya si Carlos Sainz. Nauna na si Max Verstappen, followed by Charles Leclerc. Dito nakuha niya si Carlos Sainz. Yan. So, kung sa overhead naman, ito yung nangyari. Lock up dito si Sergio Perez, pumabante dito si Max Verstappen, si Sergio Perez nagtuloy-tuloy papunta dito. Then the two Ferraris nagulat, and we can see here, na dito si Wonder Boy Oscar Piastri, ito na yung opportunity ko. Kaya pagdating dyan, yan, dito, nakabuelo na siya. And finally, before this area right here, naunahan na si Carlos Sainz. Okay. And then, on lap 4, nakuha din ni Oscar Piastri si Charles Leclerc. Dito, nawala na ang antok ko dito, Jong. Kasi nakita na kaagad natin yung pace ng McLaren na
Yes.
from the, 'di ba? Maganda ang pace nitong Ferrari. Wala na silang mistake. Maganda na lagi ang performance nila. Pagkatapos all of a sudden, here comes Oscar Piastri. Akala ko si Carlos Sainz lang yung kaya niyang kunin kasi nga nagulat pa doon from the incident with Checo. Pero pagdating dito, pag-open ng DRS ni Oscar Piastri, talagang ang bilis niyang nakuha si Charles. So pagdating dito, medyo duda na itong Ferrari, kaya nauna na sila mag-pit. Pero ito, papakita muna natin, the reigning world champion having problems with his car, no grip on the rear whatsoever, kaya nabangga pa niya itong pylon na ito.
Yan ba yung ano? Kasi I've seen a meme, the best drive of the day, yung pylon.
Nakuha niya ito, Jong, pagkatapos nagkaroon ng virtual safety car after
Yeah.
this.
Because that was
Para-
shredded into pieces. I think 3 pieces, no? Tama ba?
Yes,
Yeah.
and nandun siya sa racing line mismo.
Yeah.
So kaya pagtawag ng virtual safety car, maraming mga drivers na nagpit na agad. But it doesn't include the top 6 cars doon
Yeah.
sa mga nagpit doon sa virtual safety car. So that's the 2 Red Bulls, the 2 Ferraris, and the 2 McLarens. So pagdating dito, ayan, nauna na din si Max Verstappen mag-pit. Kaya ngayon, si Oscar Piastri na ang bagong leader ng karera. So bagong leader na siya ng karera, si Max Verstappen, kahit hindi ganun ka taas ang gap niya between Oscar Piastri, pero pinit pa din siya kasi nga reklamo siya ng reklamo dun sa medium. So they decided to give Max hard tires, and then yan, after that nagsunod-sunod na din itong mag-pit ang Ferrari, kaya si Lando Norris umakyat, tapos si Piastri tinawag. So si Lando Norris na ang bagong leader. Tapos nagkaroon ng tinawag na si Oscar Piastri to pit, kaya si Lando Norris na ang bagong leader ng race. And then after that, nagkaroon itong contact between Logan Sargent and sino ba itong black? Kevin Magnussen.
I think
So,
this is
here
the
it is.
this is the breaks of the race, do you think, Miles? No? This is the
Yeah.
one that
Yeah.
But although
Right timing talaga.
Yeah, right timing. But although we saw the speed of the McLaren, so 'di ba? This was the
Yeah.
Sige. Proceed.
Pero for me, kasi nagkaroon din ng opportunity yung ibang teams mag-pit eh. Pagkakita ng McLaren na nag-side view na yung kotse ni Logan Sargent, tinawag na kaagad nila si Lando Norris na mag-box. Kaya si Lando Norris na lang mag-isa ang pumunta sa pit, because the rest of the cars na intercept na sila ng safety car.
Yeah.
Pero since safety car yan, back to zero lahat yan eh, di ba?
Correct.
Magkakaroon kagad yung mag-i-equalize na lahat sila. So I think probably the timing of the safety car na nagpit si Lando Norris, I think yun lang. But hindi ito totally ang reason kung bakit nanalo si Lando Norris. Yung timing lang nila na makapag-pit si Lando with fresher tires compared to his competitors na itong si Verstappen, Leclerc, etc. So, yun ang para sa akin kasi wala akong nakitang ibang reason eh. Just that he had the free pit stop. Pero after that free pit stop, 'di ba? Since may safety car, so ano pa din? Same speed everyone. So ito yung isang angle na si Kevin Magnussen bale na hit yung left front tire niya, hit the rear right tire ni Logan Sargent, and too bad for Logan Sargent since home race niya ito, DNF na siya. So, eto na nga, yellow flag, safety car, getting ready for Lando Norris pit stop, and then after this, eto na, Jong, they started with the safety car. So ibig sabihin, kayang-kaya pa ni Max Verstappen tirahin si Lando Norris, which he did in the past. Pero dito, hindi na nakabawi si Max Verstappen from the McLaren of Lando Norris. Dito, ang ganda na ng... Dito, Jong, medyo gising na ako dito ba? Mga nasa ano na ito.
Of course, why
Bandang
not?
alas 5 na ito. Oo,
This
saya
guy.
talaga. Talagang, oo. Maganda. Hindi na nakabawi talaga si Max Verstappen dito. In fact, after a few turns, hindi na nga sa yung distance niya is wala na. Hindi na niya kaya mag-DRS. Ganun kabilis ang McLaren ni Lando Norris nung race na ito. And, okay, ito yung medyo controversial and isa sa mga naging comment doon sa Facebook page natin na bakit hindi nabigyan ng penalty si Oscar Piastri because he pushed Carlos Sainz, he pushed it, na-push na dito si Carlos Sainz away from the race track, no? Pero itong angle na ito kasi, before that impact happened, nauuna pa kasi ang front wing ni Oscar Piastri. Kaya kanya pa yung turn na yan. He owns that. So dapat itong si Carlos ang umilag. Dapat na-prevent na niya yung initial contact nila dito. Buti na nga lang, hindi nagkaroon ng kagaya ng action na nangyari kay Kevin Magnussen and kay Logan Sargent, di ba? Buti ito, na-push lang siya outside the racetrack. Pero si Carl yung nagbigay eh. Carl, this is the explanation. Nauna pa kasi ang front wing ni Oscar Piastri. That is why he was not given a penalty for forcing a car out of the racetrack. So, I hope clear yan sa'yo. Okay. Basahin natin, Jong. Maganda na mga ano dito.
Carl is saying that hurts physically if you don't race. Yep, of course. Galing pa sa EDSA yung cone na yan. Yeah. Mayo Azarcon. Miles, sagutin mo to. Ako lang ba or sa camera ang bilis ng mga F1 ngayon?
Yes.
Basically it's the same. Okay. The speed is slightly higher, faster. The cars are now quieter than before, running V8s, V10s, di ba? Tsaka mukhang mabilis sila ngayon because
I think the angle.
HD na kasi na yun. Angle na rin. Angle na rin.
The camera
Tsaka,
angle has changed.
Improve na ang mga cameras ngayon to the point na they could make their angles or make the placement of the cameras nearer.
Yeah.
So, mas kumbaga, mas more on cinematic, di ba? Parang you're watching Days of Thunder na nakikita mo talaga katabi mo na yun.
Yeah.
Or yung palabas ni Sylvester Stallone ng Indy wherein, di ba, malalaki. Well, anyway, yun, tama yun, Jong. Camera angle. But basically, they're still the same. Okay. Oh, good evening, Shaira.
Correct me if I'm wrong. I thought that Jong is a Mercedes fan. Nice McLaren shirt, by the way. Anyway, both McLaren and Ferrari getting their paces this season is so nostalgic, giving me Lakers. Yes. So, yes. I'm an original McLaren fan. However,
McLaren,
however, lumipat lang si Lewis Hamilton. So, that's why naging Mercedes fan ako. So,
kaming magbabarkada noon, Miss Shaira, both me and Jong were McLaren fans. Diba? Lumipat si Lewis, lumipat si Jong. Ako lang naiwan sa McLaren. Okay, natawa ako dun sa Lakers versus Celtics para na rin Toyota versus Crispa.
So, sino tong Red Bull? ano to, Golden State, yung Red Bull. Na
Yeah,
sumisingit.
baguhan, mga bagito.
Or Chicago Bulls. Ay, hindi, baguhan eh. So, Golden State, more or less. Sino ba ang
Yeah, more or
maraming
less.
panalo, dagdag Lakers? Anyway. Okay, sana magkaroon ng, sana magkaroon din ng F1 representative sa PH. Hopefully, Warriors ang Red Bull. Ayun, very nice. Alright. Sino to? Chicago ay Mercedes. Laughing out loud. Alright. Yam.
Okay. So, I hope, Carl, klaro ito dito, Carla, na bakit hindi nabigyan si Oscar Piastri ng penalty. And then, dito naman, bakit nabigyan ng penalty si Carlos Sainz? Kasi kung makikita natin, kung video ito, Carlos Sainz late braking dito, nag-lock up pa siya ng konti bago niya kinuha itong turn na ito. Kaya itong si Oscar Piastri, pilit man sana niyang iwasan or ilagan si Carlos, pero humarang na kasi si Carlos dito. And then, kesa naman mag-full stop siya, mas delikado yun. So, kaya nagkaroon sila ng contact. And the FIA found out na na Carlos Sainz was to blame for this contact right here. So, sana maliwanag sa iyo, Carl, kung bakit nabigyan itong si Carlos Sainz dito ng penalty and hindi si Oscar Piastri. So, Jong, before we continue, wala bang Logan Sargent dyan?
Yes. For the lone American driver for
Yes.
this lineup. Here we go.
Good to go. Hi, my name is Logan Sargent. I am the newest Williams driver for the 2023 season, and ready to get going. I would describe the new Gulf Williams partnership as historic, unstoppable, and fast. I think having the chance to represent both Gulf and Williams is a really special opportunity. They both have a lot of history within racing, and being able to carry that logo on my suit as well as on the car throughout the year, and it just carries a really special energy. It's definitely special to be the first full-time American since 2007 in Formula One. It has a pretty nice ring to it. I'm looking to represent my country to the best of my ability and make everyone proud. Thanks, guys.
All right. Thank you so much, Logan Sargent. And of course, Gulf Oil Philippines. Try to visit their Facebook page. That's Drive with Gulf PH. So check it out. So yun. Thank you so much, Gulf. Now, let's go back to Yamnalysis.
Okay. Patapos na tayo. Eto na. Because of that contact between Carlos Sainz and the Wonder Boy Oscar Piastri, the team changed his front wing. So, nalagay siya sa last, pero he was able to take 13th place overall. Mabilis talaga. And of course, ang saya ko talaga dito kasi pinagpuyatan ko, at least hindi puro Red Bull ang nandun. Kundi talagang si Lando Norris, and you can see the camera spanning the team. So lahat sila were praying, and then Will, his engineer, was still trying to instruct Lando Norris as per normal, no? Parang normal race lang, kahit ba na una na siya, pero talagang si Will siguro sa takot din niya or sa kaba niya, yung bang, okay Lando, try to use the paddle on this turn, engine brake on this turn, yung mga ganun. Yung ganun na style para at least ma-relax din si Lando. And of course, this is the most famous win in F1 history because all of his peers and all of his competitors came and congratulated Lando Norris for his
First.
long overdue win. At least natanggal na sa utak nila yung Russia back in 2021.
No.
Na-erase na yon. Kasi every time they sleep at night, yun ang last nilang naiisip and first nila ding naiisip paggising nila sa umaga. So good for you, Lando Norris. Congratulations. Finally, we see, I hope this is the start of a very exciting 2024 F1 Grand Prix. So
Yeah.
marami pa. This is just the 6th race of the season and we still have about 18 to go. So marami pang pwedeng mangyari. Malay mo, mapalitan na si Ricardo in the middle of the season. And Miles, gusto kong itanong sa iyo finally a win from Lando Norris and you saw the performance of the McLarens na kasi while pudpud na yung gulong, mas gumaganda pa tuloy yung pace ng McLaren. So probably the aero and the which improves the grip of the car, hindi masyado napupudpod, di ba? Yung iba wala na, they're losing grip na, pero yung McLaren nung first part of the race na sinabihan si Lando na, Lando, do not mind Sergio Perez, just take Carlos Sainz. So he started with 5-second gap and it ended up about mga 2 seconds na lang before Carlos Sainz entered the pits. So Miles, up to date ka sa news nila, may mga upgrades na ginawa. So what can you say about this new improvement by your team?
Yeah. Okay. Una-una, McLaren had upgrades for Miami. Okay. Lando had more upgrades done to his car than Oscar Piastri. Okay. We could see the gumagana yung improvements. The upgrades were gumagana. Gumagana sa kasi makita natin how Lando won the race. Lando won the race out of pace, 'di ba? Merit niya 'yon, hindi dahil may nag-DNF or may nasira ba
Yes.
front runners. He did it out of pace, 'di ba? Purely pace. The safety car was an added bonus, just like what Yamboy said. And very good strategy. Makita naman natin even though Oscar Piastri, we'll talk about Oscar Piastri and his car. Even though Oscar Piastri did not get the full package, upgrade package as Lando did, but kung makikita natin, for 20 plus laps, like 25, 26, or 27 laps, he was at the tail of Verstappen's Red Bull. Parang 2 to 3 seconds lang ang pagitan nila. So, ibig sabihin nun parang, given kung magkakaroon pa ng magandang, if Wonderboy did or got the full package, what Lando had, di ba? Malamang mas maganda pa ang ni Oscar Piastri. And considering Oscar Piastri did the fastest lap for the track, he didn't get the extra point, but still, because he placed 13th overall, but he did the fastest lap with a new front wing, dahil yun nga, nag-aksidente sila ni Carlos Sainz, di ba? But anyway, McLaren did good out of pace, and ngayon, hinihintay ko na lang ngayon ng Italy, because meron pa sila pang sorpresa na ilalabas, na idadagdag.
Wow, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah. Going to Italy next time around, I think Lando will get a new one, new upgrades, and so does Oscar Piastri.
Wow.
As for the team naman, okay, ito na lang. We know that McLaren last year, during this time last year, they were, hanson nga natin sila parang backmarker. Diba?
Yeah.
You remember the first part
Yeah.
of last
Yeah.
season, parang the new backmarkers na sila. Parang the new Haas, ika nga. But anyway, makikita naman natin, out of the standings, last time around, for this time of last year, they were like 17th or 18th yata. But right now, they are third na yata. Red Bull, Ferrari, and McLaren. Diba? And hopefully, yun na nga, this spices things up, di ba? With the absence of Mercedes, di ba? To battle it out, di ba? Here comes the new contender for ano. Kasi
Surprisingly.
mathematically McLaren and or Lando Norris and or Oscar Piastri could still snatch the championship, di ba? Or WDC for this year, di ba? So hopefully, di ba? It could spice things up with Ferrari's new computers, di ba? Baka matulungan yung ano ng with their new title sponsor by bringing in faster computers for their aero guys and for the guys back in Maranello, and it would spice things up. But anyway, congratulations. Jong, balik tayo sa comment section.
Yeah.
Yan.
Joey, good
Parang
evening.
magandang comments dito.
Joey Barcelona, good evening. Carl Angelo, the pace nung last.
Yes.
Justin Dominic Villalon, it's like basketball games not finished until the final buzzer, correct?
Yeah.
Sana ganun parate. Yeah, sana ganun parate. Yung tipong last 10 seconds, you never know who's gonna win. Buti na lang din hindi siya pasaway. Sinong pasaway? Hindi natin alam sino ito. Okay. Carl Angelo, tapos ang tanong ko lang andun sa pace ng engine ng Mercedes sa McLaren. So, ibig sabihin, ang problema ng Mercedes is between aerodynamic and the design of the car?
Yes.
Very well, very well.
Yep.
Definitely.
Carl,
Definitely.
Carl
Miles-
Angelo, it was inamin na ni Toto Wolff, 'di ba? Inamin niya, we're not that dumb. We know everything na nangyayari. Hindi lang talaga namin makuha-kuha. So, yun na yung hindi nila makuha yung tamang timpla, tamang aero design for this year, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Kita naman natin
Yeah.
history for how many years ever since the new regulations, 'di ba? Mercedes opted with no side pods before. They stick to it, 'di ba? There was this meme between Christian Horner and Toto Wolff, 'di ba? Parang sinigawan ni Christian Horner si Toto Wolff na you fix your effing car, 'di ba? Then they introduced the side pods, 'di ba? Parang ano na nila na parang kailangan natin magkaroon ng side pods and everything, but wala, it's too late. Then yun na nga. While everybody is perfecting their cars, Mercedes is now parang balik sila sa square one Develop na naman sila ng develop, 'di ba? So they're playing catching up with the car designs and the aero, 'di ba? Very well organized team, very well-oiled machine ang Mercedes at AMG F1 team. Heavily funded. Kaya walang problema, all great minds are there, yun na nga. Hindi, all the physics gods, hindi sila pinagbigyan ng physics. The physics gods for this year and last year, hindi sila biniyayaan noon. Kaya nagkaganon ang Andrew Mira, where are you? In
Hindi
the
siya
comment
makapasok.
section.
Kawambat.
Hindi makapasok. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Andrew,
Oh.
McLaren had about 10 upgrades to Lando's cars for the Miami GP. Pero Andrea Stella concedes they're still not ready to challenge for the championship this year. Hopefully, this is the start of an uptrend. Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Pero
Hopefully.
consolation mo na lang, Carl, doon sa Mercedes, at least you have something to look forward to next year as Lewis Hamilton will be transferring to another team. Tingnan natin kung sino yung bagong ipapasok. And of course, since probably magkakaroon sila ng malaking savings from the salary of Lewis Hamilton, at least mapasok nila sa developing a new car. And we all know na pag hindi ka sa top 5 finisher or nasa bandang top 4 or top 5 ka, mas malaki ang time mo sa wind tunnel. So probably yun na lang ang ating babantayan. And anyway, it's too early for this. So malay mo meron pang chance na to be a competitive team. Kasi ngayon, nauunahan na sila ng Papaya and Papaya is really doing good. So, tama si Andrew. I hope it's a start of an uptrend. And kailangan talaga maging competitive din. Masyado nilang ina-underestimate yung mga sarili nila. Kailangan fighting ang attitude para mas masaya sa ating lahat.
Okay, ito, si Carl Conrad, sabi niya mukhang si Mercedes, di si Hamilton ang problema. Yes, of course. 7-time world champion, you can never go wrong with the driving of Lewis Hamilton. Definitely, from McLaren to Mercedes. So, we've seen him won a world champions on both racing teams. So, it's really about the car. It's really about the regulations that were created throughout the years, so that which makes the competition more challenging for all of them. So all of them has to adapt and change their respective cars based on the regulation. So kung sinong una maka-adapt, yun yung may advantage. So that's the F1 is changing this regulation every now and then so that the sports won't be sort of biased, stagnant na ito na lang parate. So there's that.
Carl, panoorin mo sa Disney Plus yung Braun GP na documentary. Okay. Diyan mo makikita na how underfunded team na walang ka-sponsor, nakuha nila ang WDC because they found something in the
Regulation and the rules.
Ayun. Sila yung unang naka-adapt, and while everybody else was trying, yun nga, pag once na may yung rules kasi sa F1 at ikaw yung nakakuha ng tama or ikaw yung naka-adapt sa bagong regulations, ikaw yung nakakuha ng sweet spot sa bagong regulations, expect 2 or 3 races after that, all the teams would be having that, yung kung ano man yung upgrade mo, di ba? Madali lang yan.
Yeah.
Madali lang yan. It's just like, yun na yung term the double diffuser, di ba? Magkakaroon na rin ng double diffuser eventually ang teams na yan. Kung ano man yung, di ba?
Ito.
John, meron kang mga natalunan na mga ano natin, mga viewers natin. Good evening. Ako medyo.
Yes. Shaira, yes, it's about Jenson's year, the Braun docu. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Yep. Panoodin mo yun. Maganda yun.
Yeah, maganda.
It's, sino ang host? Keanu Reeves ba? Tama
Keanu
ba?
Reeves. Keanu Reeves.
Yeah.
Nasa Disney Plus.
Yeah. Hamilton is not a problem, but Max is Hamilton's problem. Definitely.
Hindi lang. I think Max is everybody's problem.
Max is everybody's problem. Max is ruining everyone's race ba. Even the fans, even tayo, di ba? Si Max na lang lagi. Pero at least I hope this is the start of something new for the coming races na magkaroon ng bagong mga podium finishers, kaya yun, it's really fun. So let's end the analysis for our result. Lando Norris,
Yeah.
P1, followed by Max Verstappen, Charles Leclerc, Carlos Sainz, Sergio Perez, Lewis Hamilton, Yuki Tsunoda, George Russell, Fernando Alonso, and Esteban Ocon.
Surprisingly,
All right,
Esteban
that's your
Ocon.
top 10. Yeah,
Yeah.
that 1 point means so much for the Alpines.
Yes.
Kasi at least
They're
they
struggling, right?
know, they know na parang, ayan may moral boost.
Moral
1
boost,
point
yeah.
is- At least nagkaroon ng moral boost dun sa kanila. So this is the Drivers' Championship. We have Max Verstappen, 136 points, followed by Sergio Perez, 101. Charles Leclerc, 98. Carlos Sainz, 85. Lando Norris, 83. So 2 points between Carlos Sainz and Lando Norris. Tapos we have Oscar Piastri at 41. George Russell, 37. Fernando Alonso, 33. Lewis Hamilton, 27. Yuki Tsunoda, our friend Ninja,
Yeah.
14. And for the constructors, Red Bull with 239 points, followed by Ferrari 187, McLaren, Mercedes 124, so top
124.
3. Yeah,
Yes, top 3 na
three
si McLaren.
Papaya. Mercedes 64, Aston Martin 42, V-Carb Honda 19, Haas Ferrari 7, Alpine Renault 1. He
Yeah.
had to earn a point. Williams and the kick sober Ferrari. And Emilia Romagna Grand Prix next race, May 17 to 19, 2024, 9 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah.
Masaya ito kasi
Yeah.
Europa na. So magkakaroon ito ng mga malapit-lapit na mga karera na schedule. So abangan natin 'yan.
And-
So marami pa tayong pwedeng abangan and
Yes.
very safe kasi alas 9 ng gabi.
Yeah.
Hindi kayo mapupuyat.
At saka, expect live one viewing. So, F1 PH live one viewing community. So, yun na yun. Marami na silang ano. So, this is a very good ano. I think dire-diretso na to. Tama ba? After ng Imola, I think it's another European country. Tama ba?
Yeah, Europe na
Yeah,
ito.
So, I think
Sunod-sunod na yan sila.
tatlo,
We
dalawang
have,
sunod. Yeah.
ano yung pinakamahirap na karera? Yung Monaco.
Monaco.
Yan, Monaco.
Oh,
Sunod-sunod na yan.
Alright.
Ayos!
Ito.
So that's it for tonight. Sir
Yeah.
Francis, malapit na ang summer break.
Monaco, yes. Vintamsi, yes. Carl Angelo, malapit na ata ang summer break. Live viewing for next race. Yes, we're gonna have that one. Stay tuned on our page and of course on the page of F1 PH live viewing community. Carl Conrad, Carlos and Lando is tied up. Driver standing, maging exciting pa ang mga darating na GP definitely. And Carl Angelo, yun ang podium na rin katulad ng Monaco. Yep, there we go. Ano pa ba? Galit na naman si Gasly, naka-point si Ocon. Shaira, reply.
Intriga yun.
Yeah, oo. Carl Angelo, unpopular opinion, Ocon is actually a talented guy. RB team, consistent mag-score si Yuki. Yep, that's the ninja. Of course, consistent talaga yung ano. Ayun, at least, yes, Alpine has already scored. So, yun, I think, meron palang sinabi si Carl kanina. Carl, you were saying that hope that Hamilton will have a good seat for Ferrari next year. So, we're not sure yet if Hamilton will really be able to be good at Ferrari because it's man and machine. They still have to, Ferrari has to adapt to the driving style of Lewis Hamilton as well as the other way around. Lewis Hamilton has to adapt to the driving style, or the cockpit of Ferrari. So it's a tall
Jong,
order.
not only the cockpit,
Yeah.
not only
handling,
the cockpit, but
the handling. Yeah.
But the
Everything.
politics,
And the
politics
politics.
inside
Unahin
Ferrari.
natin.
Yeah.
Carl, dapat ang unang matutunan ni Hamilton is paano mag-Italiano.
Yun.
Learn to brush up on his Italian. Di ba? With the car, hindi mo naman kailangan mag-adapt kasi they are going to build the car around you. Di ba? They're going
Okay.
to design the car around you. So,
Meron
wala
to.
masyadong
Si Andy nag-comment, depende rin if Newey goes to Ferrari. So Adrian Newey, Miles, a little bit of history. Did Adrian Newey left McLaren during the driving days of Hamilton o hindi? I forgot eh.
Wala. No.
So Adrian
No.
Newey is still with
Adrian
McLaren
Newey was still with McLaren.
when Hamilton
During
yung nandun.
Hamilton.
Yeah, okay.
Yun na nga. Ito na lang. Ganito na lang. I don't know if the gods are or the planets are aligned for Hamilton, di ba? Lewis Hamilton was under Fred Vasseur when he was still in F2. Di ba? Magaling. Maganda ang ni Lewis Hamilton under the wing of Fred. Okay. Fred is now in Ferrari. Lewis Hamilton is going to Ferrari. Di ba? And now there are talks that Adrian Newey would be a consultant for Ferrari. Di ba?
Sultan.
So, yes, yun yung consultant. Yun yung term.
Sultan yan.
Consultant for Ferrari. Okay?
Wow.
So, and Adrian Newey would certainly like to design a Scarlet car, diba? With a Ferrari engine.
Wow, wait.
And also,
Ngayon ko lang to naisip. Newey has been with McLaren for quite some time. If I can remember it right, it was during the days of Ayrton Senna pa. Adrian Newey is already there. Tama, Miles, di ba?
yes.
Yes, okay. Now he goes to Red Bull. Now he goes to Ferrari. Halimbawa lang, then he has achieved McLaren, Red Bull Championship, and Ferrari Championship cars. So I think that is just an icing on his cake or something that will really, uplift his portfolio. Diba?
Actually, he doesn't need to, hindi na niya kailangan pagandahin ng kanyang CV o kanyang portfolio. Everybody knows as what Andy has nicknamed him, he's the kingmaker, di ba? So, it doesn't, ang kanya na lang. And also, sabi rin niya, I don't need boatloads of money, just like what the other green team is offering him. Parang, yun na nga, di ba? Parang, ang akin na lang is, ayaw ko na sa team ko, lipat na ako sa kabila, ayaw ko rin mag full time, maging consultant na lang ako, parang, yun na lang, di ba?
Yeah.
So, and then yun nga parang yun nga, as what, yung gusto ko lang point, di ba? Tatlo, di ba? Tatlo yung nag-align
Yeah.
Si Lewis Hamilton, si Fred, and si Adrian Newey. Tapos, lagyan natin ng next Ferrari, di ba? Ferrari engine is really good, di ba? At saka strategy-wise, magaling naman, improving naman ang strategies ng improving ang strategies ng Ferrari.
Sige. Yam, ikaw Yam. Teka, nagre-reklamo na si Carl.
Si Shaira, Carl, i-charge mo muna yan. Masarap ang kwentuhan eh. Shaira, if Newey goes to Ferrari, third time na tama ang decision ni Hamilton on switching teams. Yeah, I hope, I mean, if I were Adrian, I'll give Lewis his 8th championship and retire. That's my hindi ko na kailangan ng pera eh, 'di ba tama Miles? Parang sige, pakita ko lang sa mundo na pag maganda or I partnered with the best driver and then I'll design the best car for him. Wala. Kaya natin mag-champion. So, 'yun.
Yeah. At
That
saka
will be the day.
Oh.
That will be an exciting one.
Correct. Before we go to the question of Calvin James Manalo, ito, Ronin James Ompok, never pa nagminti si Lewis sa paglilipat ng team. Baka kasama na rin sa package si Newey to Ferrari. Maybe, we don't know. Kasi, biro mo, when was the last time did Ferrari won a constructor? Miles, can you remember?
Hindi, tanong natin kay Carl. Si Carl ang
Carl,
tifosi.
okay, Carl, when was the last time did Ferrari won a constructor? So, Michael Schumacher or Sebastian
Hindi.
Vettel days?
Kimi?
2007. Kimi
Kimi
Raikkonen. Yes, tama. Okay. Ayun, 2007. Kimi Raikkonen. How many years? Diba? So look, if really there is a package between Lewis Hamilton and Adrian Newey, then definitely this is the thing that will make them go back. Hindi pa yan Q&A, ha? Diba? That is the only way for them to be able to go back to constructor winning ways, diba? Wow. So, maybe. We don't know. Yes, Archie Velasquez, kakabitin talagang 1 hour. Kaya thank you for saying, thank you, which means that you're having fun. We're having fun as well. Wala lang akong oras sa harapan ko. Okay.
Tsaka masaya talaga kasi eto na yung pinagdadasal natin lahat na merong bagong winners pa.
Yes.
So, di ba, as a fan of the sport, as a fan of the sport, you welcome everyone as winners. So, we witnessed, I hope, the start of a new beginning for
Yes, di ba?
the 2024.
Biro mo, if McLaren continues to do this as good one, then Red Bull will maintain. Here comes Ferrari. So we're looking at a three-team, di ba?
Three-team battle.
Three-team battle. Hindi kayong tulang, Ferrari, McLaren lang parate, di ba? So, okay. Before we go to the question and answer portion, sagutin natin yung tinanong kanina ni na what do you think of Adrian Newey's RB17? Sana ba yun? Miles, baka kaya mo to. Wala na.
Ano ba yung RB17? Is that yung ngayon 2024?
Yam, tama ba?
No. The RB17 is the supercar that they are designing ba as
okay, yun na
as
yung
available
yeah.
as an available car for the market for the public, just like what McLaren is doing. Meron silang mga cars na
Yeah.
So, it's a supercar branded by RB with the technology they bought from Honda, the winning engine of 2021. So, yun. I hope, yeah. Pero we have yet to see the overall design and performance bago tayo mag-ano.
Yeah.
Kasi that's first time first time. Unlike McLaren, they have been doing this for a long time already. So we'll see. Hindi pa masyado tayo dun sa mga concept car and mga supercars din kasi.
Yeah. It's the hypercar. It's a hypercar designed by Adrian. Not for This was designed just like the Valkyrie. Designed not for the racetrack, not for the races, diba? It's for ultra rich guys to have on their garage.
Yep.
Just like collecting Hot Wheels cars, diba? Para sa kanila. So,
All right.
tayo, hanggang diecast cars lang tayo So, sila, they're collecting hypercars.
Yeah. All right.
Lucky bastard.
It's time now for the Q&A. Andy, are you ready? Wait. Teka, bigyan na natin yung prize natin dun sa winning comment. Mamaya na, last na lang yun, no? Last na lang yun, Miles?
Unahin natin yun.
Unahin natin yun. Okay.
Yeah.
So, Miles?
we posted this right after the race. We posted, or actually I posted it on the official Facebook page of the Purple Sector. So if still haven't inviting you there, I-like, and ano man tawag dyan? Like, follow, ano bang tawag
Yeah,
sa
like and
Facebook?
follow.
Anyway,
Yeah.
it's in the Facebook page wherein we share news, tidbits, memes, or anything. Doon na rin, nag-open up rin ako ng topic wherein any thoughts regarding the recently concluded Miami Grand Prix. So we chose one comment, and
There
that
we
comment will receive a special prize from Golf.
Yeah, there we go.
Yes.
Dion
Dion.
Sefin.
Okay.
Pakibasa, Miles.
Okay, Dion Sefin said, well-deserved win for Lando after a great strategy call during the safety car. Yeah, upgrades are working. Yeah, we saw it. Red Bull, on the other hand, seems to have trouble with hard and medium compounds in Miami. Yes. Okay. Imola, and Dion also added that Imola will be an epic battle now that McLaren can fight for top spot against RB and Ferrari.
Ayun.
So,
Congratulations.
Dion Sefin, I hope you're watching right now. Congratulations, you got yourself a limited edition official
Williams
Racing Golf shirt.
Polo
Okay.
shirt.
Polo shirt.
Yep.
Same polo shirt that I wore. Okay. Not the same one, but pareho ng design.
Yeah.
What I wore last time. Okay.
So, Dion,
congratulations.
Message us,
If
PM, number, address, and the size of the shirt. There we go.
Yeah.
Andy, who is on the
Q&A.
comment section, ready for question. Send us PM with your complete details. Yep, there you go. Andy, here we go. The first one would be Yam Boys, Yam Analysis Cap. There you go. Yes, ito yung trucker cap. Okay, Andy, question number for this, the easiest one. Go.
Okay, while Andy is typing the question, okay, all winners for today, the caps, may kasamang stickers yan, takapit.
Yeah, stickers. Tsaka,
And ballpen.
ballpen, yun. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
What is the total race length in kilometers for the Miami Grand Prix? So, which means, total race length yung lap number 1, i-add mo lahat yung lap, ilang laps yun? 52? 57?
57.
57 laps. Ilan kilometers yung inikot nila dun sa 57 laps? Ronin James Sompok, tama ba?
300
Yam?
feet.
Sino to?
326
Andy?
kilometers.
308 308.36
Okay.
kilometers?
Okay.
Tama ba?
Okay. Correct.
Yes.
Correct. Congrats.
Wow.
Okay, Ronnie.
Congratulations, Ronnie James.
Shaira, natanggap mo yung Yam Analysis Cup ni Yamboy, I think, right? Yeah.
Dapat autograph yung Yamanalysis Cup para kay
Yeah,
Shaira.
soon.
Hindi.
Ni Yamboy.
Ang na-autograph ko, yung McLaren na
McLaren
poster. Oo.
Okay, so
Ay.
congratulations, Ronin James
Ay.
Sompok. I think we also have your address, but pakisend na lang para meron kaming details. Kai Chin, yes, sorry, late na. Panalo na si Ronin James Ompok.
Autograph daw nating
dapat.
4. Possible ba?
Yes. Teka, wala
Wala
na si Andy.
problema.
Nasa Australia na si Andy. Alright.
Mas mahal ang
send ko
shipping
pa ngayon. Thank you. Alright, here we go. Your podium
Okay.
cup from Pirelli. There you go. Question number 2. Andy, please.
Okay, well, Andy is typing again. Pasalamatan ulit natin, kaibigan natin from Alpine Stars,
Yep, there you go. Nice
Pirelli,
shirt, man.
and Golf PH
Thank you.
for supporting the purple sector.
Yep. Thank you.
Okay, mukhang...
Question number 2.
number 2.
At 208 starts, which former F1 drivers hold the unenviable record of the most races without a win?
Uy,
Grabe, Justin Dominic Villalon. Yes. Hindi. Tama. Andrea De Cesaris. There he
Cesaris.
goes. Crowd.
Wow, bilis ni Mr. Villalon.
Yes.
Galing.
Nice one. So, John,
Congratulations.
Justin Dominic T. Villalon, you get yourself a Pirelli Cup. There you go. Ang bilis nga. Okay. Now, the hardest question ba, Andy? We'll get a Williams Racing Cup. This is a, what do you call this? Authentic from Golf F1 Williams Racing. Here we go. Ano yan, Miles? Ano pinakita mo? Sana makuha ko pa.
Si Mr. Cesaris.
Mr. Cesaris. Pati nga. There you go. So, ang walang panalo. Tama? Walang
Ayan.
champion. Tama?
Walang
Yeah.
panalo.
Walang panalo. Yeah. Okay. Sana ba yun?
Google nyo na lang. Google nyo na lang.
Ito, pahirapan na. Ito, okay. So, we're giving out this one. Again, hindi pwede manalo pabalik-balik. We should have a new winner. So, Ronin James
Carl.
at saka si Villalon ba yun? Tama ba?
Okay,
Hindi pala.
For the Ronin James.
Yeah, Villalon and Ronin James. You can never, hindi mo na kayo pwedeng manalo sa ngayon. Alright.
Okay. For the record, Carl, wala ka pang napapalalunan, pang ilang karera na. Kaya, Carl, pagbutihan mo to.
Hello, Carl. Ay, nalobat na si Carl. Sabi na nga ba? Okay.
Dapat kasi ang
Sabi
pa-premium
mag-charge.
power bank.
Alright, here we go. Andy, go for the last question.
Okay, Ronin James Ompok is
PM
telling
natin.
everyone na PM mo raw siya kung kailan niya answer. Mukhang walking encyclopedia ata to siya. Ronin James Ompok.
Oh no, Carl, Charger kasi. At 110 races before his first win, Lando Norris is number what on the list of the most races before first win? So, grabe! Grabe, Mayor. Grabe. Alright, we have a
Tama ba, Andy?
winner. Mayor Arzarcon, ang dami mo pang ano dito ha, ang dami mo pang hindi pa namin nabibigay.
Anong Ayrton Senna?
I think yan yung sa ano, yung kay Andrea. Pero nag-champion si Ayrton Senna. Mayor Azarcon, bilis ni Mayor. Yes, Mayor, marami ka pa pong hindi pa nabibigay dito ng mga items kasi wala pa kaming address mo. Pa-message na lang po, Mayor, para mapadala namin ito. So, Mayor Azarcon, you won a authentic Golf Williams Racing Cup. There you go.
Mahal na.
Congratulations. Lakas, yeah.
Mahal
Sa
na ng
face-
shipping
sa
niyan,
YouTube.
marami na.
Yeah, oo nga. One-time shipping. Wow, guys, I had fun. Aside from McLaren won last weekend, and it was really fun. Yes, please ako. Yahoo, message ko agad. Ang dami na dyan, sa totoo lang. Sakto pa yung pag-charge ni Carl. Tapos na ang contest. Kayo, huwag niyo wayin si
Carl, hindi. Carl, alam mo, every Tuesday, PM, nandiyan ang mga tito. So, pag nandiyan ang mga
Congrats na
tito,
papaya
mag-charge
din.
ka, sayang.
Yeah.
Yes, Jane.
Oh.
Yeah, wait.
Teka, wag
A
niyo...
fun race, actually.
Yeah, it was really a fun race. Yeah, and...
Carl, wag ka sige comment mo na. Saka ka lang mag-comment pag medyo na yung topic.
Alam mo na yung ending na.
Oo, di ba? Wag mo na.
Sige lang, Carl. Marami pa tayong ibibigay. No problem.
Yeah, we have a lot of items to give out. So, hopefully, the purple Pirelli Cup. Sana, Pirelli. Hindi pa ako sinasagot.
Pirelli, baka naman. Baka naman.
Yeah. Alright. Ano to? Ayun. So, I
Pero,
think...
alam mo, paborito ko itong Pirelli Cup na ito eh. Talagang...
Hindi, swak siya
it
eh.
fits
Di ba?
me well.
Swak siya. It
Yeah.
really fits you well. So, yeah. Shout out Hamilton for his effort. Yes, definitely. So, we all know how... Miles, alam mo yung cup niyan, meron din ako niyan, Viagra.
Viagra. We all bought that in Green Hills by
Yeah.
maalala ko yan.
Yeah.
The first Davao Manila drive
Yeah.
which was shown on TV.
Yeah. So that was a NASCAR sponsored no. All right.
Yeah, it's from Roush team, Roush Racing.
Yeah. Roush Racing. Yeah. Wala na yan ngayon. All right. Miles, nandiyan ka na sa harapan. Before we go.
Okay, once again, that was our take on the Miami Grand Prix. This is your Tito Miles. Thanking everyone for joining us for an hour and a half. And hopefully, next time around, we're going to discuss Imola. Or rather,
Imola.
Italian.
Yeah. Italian.
Imola. We'll
Emilia
discuss Imola next time around. So, hope you guys continue to support us by visiting our Facebook page and sharing it with everyone. And wala akong masabi. Congratulations to everyone. Congratulations to the winners. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.
All right. Yan, boy.
Okay, thank you very much for joining us tonight. I hope you had fun and learned something. If not, I hope you were entertained. And well, as far as the Miami Grand Prix is concerned, I hope na magtuloy-tuloy, no, ang Team Papaya to improve their race pace, to improve their ranking on the constructors and also the two drivers, kasi talagang we need this in the sport na merong bagong mga players. Kaya yon, I hope Imola would be a very good race for Team Papaya, and I hope for Manong Alonso's nakalimutan ko na yung team Aston Martin. Pati sana yung Aston Martin makabawi. All right, so thank you. So Jong.
Yeah, Andy has message right here. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'll see you. So this is Andy holding our comment section. So as usual, ayun, Mayor, thank you so much. Looking forward for the next broadcast. Shaira, maraming salamat as well. And there we go. So we had fun. Blurred na naman ako. Ayun. Sorry. Anyway, so we had fun, and I hope everyone had fun. I hope that it's gonna be an uptrend for McLaren, and sana si Ferrari na naman babalik. Or is there a hope for Mercedes this year? We don't know. It's still very early part of the season, so still anything can happen. At least there's one thing that we didn't expect, na hindi Red Bull all the way, right? So we were expecting that from the start of the season, and this is something different. So there we go. See you 2 weeks from now. Next Tuesday, we'll be here for the Emilia Romagna Grand Prix, Imola GP of F1. So, Yamboy, Miles, Andy, thank you for managing our comment section. And that's it for us for tonight. Thank you to our presenter, Golf, and of course, Alpine Star and Pirelli. Maraming salamat po. And to all our friends who are here with us in the comment section, maraming salamat for joining us. Tell your friends about it. We're going to be here next Tuesday. Good night, everyone, and we'll see you on the next one. Good night.
Down towards the braking zone, 5 lights, ahead of drivers, lights out, it's lights out. And Lance Stroll's car, and we have 19 on the grid, then 1 in the pit lane, it's lights out.